Hi, I'm Professor Eva, and welcome to today's session on neuromarketing and consumer neuroscience. In this chapter, we'll dive into how neuromarketing uses neuroscience to understand consumer behavior. Neuromarketing combines neuroscience with marketing to understand consumer behavior. The field leverages brain science to study how consumers react to ads, products, and brands. Unlike traditional marketing, it focuses on the subconscious, emotional, and psychological drivers of consumer decisions. We'll explore how these tools help create more personalized, data-driven marketing strategies that resonate with consumers on a deeper level. By definition and scope of neuromarketing. At its core, neuromarketing applies neuroscience techniques to understand consumer behavior at a physiological and emotional level. It uses tools like EEG, fMRI, and eye tracking to measure brain activity, attention, and emotional responses. The scope of neuromarketing covers everything from improving brand communication to understanding purchasing decisions. This scientific approach goes beyond traditional methods, enabling marketers to craft messages that resonate with consumers' unconscious needs, leading to more effective marketing campaigns. The role of neuroscience in understanding consumer behavior. Neuroscience provides invaluable insights into consumer behavior by revealing how our brain reacts to stimuli. Tools like EEG measure brain waves, while fMRI scans show which areas of the brain light up when exposed to marketing messages. These tools allow marketers to observe emotional and cognitive responses in real time. By studying these responses, marketers can better understand what drives consumer decisions, tailoring campaigns that evoke the desired emotional reactions and improve consumer engagement. Cependantoi. Historical evolution of neuromarketing. Neuromarketing emerged in the early 2000s when marketers realized the potential of neuroscience in understanding unconscious consumer behavior. Traditionally, marketing relied on focus groups and surveys, which often failed to capture emotional or subconscious responses. With the advent of brain imaging technology, neuromarketing has grown into a scientific approach that uses EEG, fMRI, and eye tracking to gather data. This shift has enabled a more accurate and data-driven understanding of how consumers make decisions. How neuromarketing differs from traditional marketing. The key difference between neuromarketing and traditional marketing lies in how consumer data is collected. Traditional marketing typically uses surveys or focus groups to gather opinions, which can be biased or inaccurate. Neuromarketing, on the other hand, uses scientific methods to measure subconscious consumer reactions. By analyzing brain activity, eye movements, and emotional responses, neuromarketing gives marketers more reliable insights into how consumers truly feel about products and brands, leading to better targeted campaigns. The intersection of psychology, biology, and marketing. Understanding psychology and biology is critical in neuromarketing. Our psychological responses influence how we perceive products, ads, and brands, while biological factors like brain chemistry and hormones also play a major role in decision-making. By combining psychological insights with biological understanding, neuromarketing offers a more comprehensive view of consumer behavior. This enables marketers to craft emotionally resonant campaigns that align with both cognitive and emotional processes. Key benefits of neuromarketing. The benefits of neuromarketing are numerous. By using neuroscience, marketers can create personalized campaigns that speak directly to consumers' emotional triggers. This leads to higher engagement, as emotionally compelling campaigns capture attention and increase brand recall. Moreover, neuromarketing helps foster brand loyalty by creating deep emotional connections between consumers and brands, ensuring long-term engagement. In short, it makes marketing more effective and tailored to consumer needs. Applications in brand strategy and communication. Neuromarketing plays a crucial role in brand strategy and communication. It helps marketers design messages that resonate emotionally, leading to stronger brand perceptions. By understanding how the brain processes information, brands can influence how consumers perceive products, ensuring that they associate positive emotions with the brand. Neuromarketing also enables personalized brand experiences, allowing companies to create messaging that directly aligns with individual consumer preferences. The impact of neuromarketing on consumer engagement. Neuromarketing significantly enhances consumer engagement by crafting campaigns that connect emotionally with the audience. Emotional connections are key to brand loyalty, as consumers who feel attached to a brand are more likely to engage repeatedly. By tapping into emotional responses, neuromarketing helps brands design memorable experiences that resonate with consumers on a deeper level. This approach leads to more interactive campaigns that keep consumers engaged with the brand over time. Introduction to key neuroscience tools in neuromarketing. In this slide, we discuss the main tools used in neuromarketing: EEG, fMRI, and eye tracking. EEG measures electrical activity in the brain, revealing emotional responses to stimuli. fMRI scans show which parts of the brain are activated when consumers are exposed to marketing messages, allowing marketers to understand which emotions or thoughts are triggered. Eye tracking helps identify which parts of an advertisement or product attract attention, providing insights into consumer preferences. These tools enable marketers to create campaigns based on scientific data, making marketing efforts more targeted and effective. How emotional responses affect consumer decisions. In neuromarketing, emotions are crucial drivers of consumer decisions. Studies show that people often make purchasing decisions based on emotional responses rather than rational thought. For example, ads that evoke happiness or excitement are more likely to lead to a purchase. By understanding the emotional triggers that drive behavior, marketers can craft campaigns that resonate with consumers on a deeper level. Emotional appeal also strengthens brand recall, making consumers more likely to remember and engage with the brand in the future. Neuromarketing and advertising effectiveness. This slide explores how neuromarketing can improve advertising effectiveness. Traditional methods of measuring ad effectiveness often rely on consumer surveys or feedback, which can be subjective. Neuromarketing provides more objective data by measuring real-time responses using tools like EEG and eye tracking. By observing how consumers' brains react to different elements of an ad, marketers can optimize their content for maximum impact, ensuring that it captures attention and evokes the desired emotional response. The role of attention and memory in consumer behavior. Understanding attention and memory is crucial for crafting effective marketing strategies. If an ad doesn't capture attention, it won't make an impact, no matter how good the content is. Neuromarketing helps marketers identify which aspects of a campaign grab consumers' attention and which are more likely to be remembered. By designing content that captivates and engages, marketers ensure that their message is not only noticed, but also retained. Additionally, emotional experiences enhance memory retention, making consumers more likely to remember a brand. Neuromarketing in digital marketing. Neuromarketing is also transforming digital marketing. The advantage of digital marketing is the ability to collect real-time data, which neuromarketing amplifies by providing insights into consumers' subconscious reactions. Tools like eye tracking and EEG allow marketers to see how consumers interact with ads, websites, and social media content. This data helps optimize campaigns in real time, ensuring that digital marketing efforts are as effective and engaging as possible. Ethical considerations in neuromarketing. With the power of neuromarketing comes the responsibility to use it ethically. One major concern is ensuring that consumers are fully informed and consent to having their data collected. Additionally, there's the risk of exploiting consumers' unconscious responses for manipulative purposes. Marketers must ensure that their use of neuroscience tools is transparent and responsible, balancing the benefits of neuromarketing with the ethical responsibility to treat consumers fairly. Case study: successful neuromarketing campaigns. Neuromarketing has led to successful campaigns by major brands. Coca-Cola and Pepsi have both used emotional appeal to build strong consumer connections. Coca-Cola uses happiness and nostalgia in its ads, while Pepsi taps into unconscious emotional triggers to influence buying behavior. Apple's minimalist ads focus on creating an emotional connection rather than simply promoting a product. These campaigns demonstrate how neuromarketing principles can be used to craft memorable, engaging ads that resonate with consumers. Future trends in neuromarketing. Looking ahead, the future of neuromarketing is promising. The integration of virtual reality, VR, will create immersive consumer experiences, while artificial intelligence, AI, will provide even more sophisticated data analysis. These tools will enable real-time personalization, adjusting marketing content to respond dynamically to consumer emotions and preferences. As technology advances, the potential for neuromarketing to deliver deeply personalized, emotionally engaging campaigns will only increase. Neuromarketing and consumer trust. Building consumer trust is a key benefit of neuromarketing. By understanding consumer psychology, brands can communicate more transparently and authentically, fostering trust. Consumers are more likely to engage with brands they trust, and neuromarketing helps create messages that resonate deeply, building a reliable and positive brand image over time. Consistency across all touchpoints also strengthens consumer trust, as people appreciate brands that stay true to their values. Neuromarketing and brand loyalty. Neuromarketing helps foster brand loyalty by creating emotional bonds with consumers. These emotional connections keep consumers coming back, ensuring long-term engagement. By leveraging neuroscience to understand what drives loyalty, brands can design personalized experiences that keep their customers invested in the brand. As consumer loyalty strengthens, brands benefit from repeat business and word-of-mouth recommendations, leading to sustained growth. Conclusion. To conclude, neuromarketing is revolutionizing how brands understand and engage with consumers. By leveraging neuroscience tools, marketers can create more personalized, emotionally resonant campaigns that improve engagement, loyalty, and sales. As the field continues to evolve, neuromarketing will play an increasingly important role in shaping how businesses connect with their audiences. Thank you for joining me today in exploring this exciting and rapidly growing field of marketing.